Mazda 1000?
A Mazda 1000.
It's a really loud horn.
So originally these were like kits. So they were pressed, stamped out in Japan, all the parts, and then they were sent in like a big box, assembled in Thailand.
And then when you got it, it was at the end of its life, and it was like a full Thai style restoration.
Well, a Thai restoration, sometimes they don't do a great job. It's been done to my spec, basically.
Yeah, so it's done to a medium. It's a good starting point for a build.
Very much so.
Right. The one thing you can't build into a car when it doesn't have any personality, and this has it in spades.
Yeah, 100%.
Yeah, a bit more power, a bit of finesse in here and there. I guess it doesn't have enough power for a burnout.
Oh no, I tried that yesterday. Just kind of like... Well, it's going to get a full rebuild, check over. The carburetor's going to get rebuilt because it's still working on Thai fuel almost.
So do you know what their fuel is? Is it shittier than ours?
Really bad. It's not good fuel. Not good fuel at all. It's really like beyond
low
worse.
grade.
Beyond worse of our low grade fuel.
It's a good bed to build an amazing project car on.
Yeah. And it'll be good to drive every day as well.
And I mean, let's be honest, begging for a rotary in there, isn't it?
Never say never.